Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Standing here in front of you is only 21 years of age, a third-year college student at USA University, Squatter area, taking up Bachelor of Marine Engineering, major in scuba diving. Lumos ang ending. Friends, ito po ang babaeng nagpapatibok sa pihikang puso ni Mr. Ding Dong Dantes. After by the name ang nag-iisang Miss Marian. Marian Defensor Santiago. Marian Defensor Santiago na naniniwala sa isang simpleng kasabihan, huwag bayot mapaakan kung ang nagsunod inyong higtan.